Hey guys, this is the Disney Blu-ray update of the week. It's the last week of November and we have Fantasia and Sorcerer's Apprentice in Blu-ray. But today we're going to be talking about Fantasia. It's a classic. What else can we say here? Here we have Fantasia and the Fantasia 2000. And also has a new animated short called Destina. It's a 4-disc combo pack. It's a fantastic movie. If you haven't seen, check it out. So let me open this and let me show you the packaging. We have the usual stamp on top. So here's the Blu-ray Fantasia, here's the DVD Fantasia, this is the Blu-ray Fantasia 2000 and the DVD Fantasia 2000. Just 2 Blu-rays, Fantasia and Fantasia 2000, and 2 DVDs, Fantasia and Fantasia 2000. Let me show you the back cover. It's 7.1 DTS Master Audio. Fantasia is square in 133 and Fantasia 2000 is widescreen 185. So there's no digital copy in this combo. And thanks to the beauty of editing, I already changed my case. I don't really like much this case is like this, so I changed to a UK version, much better for me. So here we have Fantasia Blu-ray, Fantasia and Fantasia 2000, and the DVD Fantasia and Fantasia 2000. Let's see the booklet. The good thing is they always bring these booklets. Here's talking about the Walt Disney collection. Here talking about the Club and Sorcerer's Apprentice, which is already out. Here's Chihuahua number 2 and Alice in Wonderland. I've mentioned this before. They're talking about Dumbo in 2011, but just so you know, it has already been released in Blu-ray, I believe in South America and UK. And for spring 2011, Incredibles and Bambi. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned. I'm gonna be reviewing Sorcerer's Apprentice on the next one.